We were just trying to make our mark in the world.
Okay, so I'm gonna make this quick and brief. My Instagram got disabled like 2 days ago. I'm working on getting it back. I'm talking to like a bunch of people. John's helping me. I got another guy helping me. I got another guy helping me. Worst case scenario, I might have to pay $500 to get it back. But if you're wondering, I didn't block all of you or unfollow all of you. My Instagram just is disappeared out of thin air. The same thing happened to Skate Crunch actually about a year ago, so I've been talking to him as well for help. In other news, if you guys didn't see the last video, I made like a special skate edit promotional video for Slam, and it's all skating, no like talking or vlogging or anything like that, and that's actually a welcome video to Dan, so he actually has a full part in it, so be sure to check that out. It's the last video. It's titled Slamming Worldwide. I put a lot of time and effort into it, and I would appreciate it if you guys go and check it out. And the drop is now live. Also, 2 items have sold out, the pants and the cinema tee, but everything else is on like the cusp of selling out. We just haven't been able to get to it, and I haven't been able to really promote it because my Instagram has been disabled. So I'm letting you know here. Stuff is probably gonna sell out tomorrow or the next day, meaning Monday or Tuesday. So if you're watching this after that, chances are either all of it or more items have sold out.
Dale's forcing me to give him a bonus try.
Dan and I are in a little race right now because we both started switch flipping over stuff. Now, we can all agree on one thing, all right? Switch flips are not Dan's trick. They're just not.
We can all agree on the
But this is the thing. Even though he can't do them well, he can still do them on everything and over everything.
Sometimes I get lucky. The last 2. Okay, so let me. You gotta explain the progression of how switch flips started. So basically today I was like, I want to start doing switch flips because my switch flips are trash. So I was doing switch flips on flat, and then I was like, I want to switch flip off the drop, and then I ended up having easier time switch flipping up onto the ledge than off of it. So then I was trying that, and then Dale switch flipped up onto the ledge. And then I was like,
which I've never done before.
Yeah, and then I was like, oh, let's switch flip over the parking block, which is like an oversized parking block. I did the first try, and it was decent. And then we both ended up doing that, and then like I stopped switch flipping, and then he started trying it over the flat bar, which is literally like 2 inches taller than the parking block.
But for people who don't like I can switch flip, but I don't ever switch flip over stuff.
Exactly.
Ever.
So then we had a $5 bet on that, and I landed it before him, but then he landed.
No, you didn't land it before me. We tied.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Well, you started trying first.
Yeah, but still,
regardless, basically, I landed it, and then he had 1 try to tie.
Which mine was definitely better. I'm just gonna say that.
Yeah, but the second one that I did,
mine was better.
The second one that I did was so good.
It wasn't level. It was rocket.
The second one I did was definitely level.
No,
I caught it with my back foot.
No,
sure it was level.
It wasn't.
Chris told me it was good.
It was good, but
Fresh said it was.
No, it was good, but it wasn't level.
I did.
I'm being honest with you.
I did 3 of them.
I would tell you if it was level.
See how many fingers I'm holding out? That's how many switch flips.
Okay, you did 3, but and then the thing was, we started trying it over the bench, and then I landed on one, but I clipped.
We're gonna go to San Pedro to go street skating, but then like both of us like already decided in our heads separately, like, oh, I just want to switch flip over the one spot at this. There's like 20 spots where we're going. We're just gonna try to switch flip over this fucking thing.
I'm not gonna try it because the angle's fucked up. I mean, it's just. I don't like the angle. Dan doesn't care, so he's gonna continue to try it, but I'm gonna film it on this.
So darling, stand by me.
Is that okay?
Yeah, bro.
All right.
Wow.
I'd like to point out the fact that Dale didn't even try the switch flip because don't get me wrong, the runoff's not great. You have to swerve around these 2 corners, but
Stand by me.
number 1. The second I landed it, before I even was really even rolling away, Dale was like, all right, let's go to 3 blocks so I can switch flip that. Because he knows that the likelihood of me switch flipping the 3 block is very... I'm going to try it, though. If you do it, I will try it. Why is that so scary? Should I just try switch flip?
Yeah.
sir.
Line guy.
That was
Are you
dope.
alright?
Are you good? How are your feet? That was crazy.
That was so weird. I'm like slamming today.
Welcome. You're an idiot.
What's that? But not necessarily commercial.
Be careful, okay? There's a lot of California citizens.
Oh, really? Okay.
Legit shit.
Okay. 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 Not from here. All right. Okay. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Am I putting this on right? I've never put on a windbreaker. Ooh, what material is this? I feel like a wacky weather inflatable tube man. That's nice. I like this. I like the feeling of the material. What material is this? What is this? This waterproof?
Yeah, it is waterproof.
Is there secret pockets?
The actual flap.
What?
Unzip, bro.
I didn't know. Oh, that's sick.
Isn't it?
I didn't know about that.
Really exciting for me to hear excitement on your face.
I didn't. There, like when I was saying,
Look
is
at
there a
your
secret?
eyes, bro. You're hyped.
When I was saying, is there a secret pouch? I was waiting for you to disappoint me, like you do every single day that I spend with you. But then you were like, there is actually a secret pouch, and it was at a really cool location.
It's you don't want to know what's funny.
Oh, and it buttons. That's
Yeah.
so sick.
You want to know what's funny? The one time that I don't disappoint you is in the products that I make. That should tell you something.
No, now I'm gonna like expect like an Easter egg in all of your products, right?
All right, well I'll make them for you.
Okay, you're full of shit, but okay. Well, no, this is sick. Let me look at me. Show me me. Me.
Ooh, that looks nice.
Thank you. I wish I was wearing shorts because then I would feel like Nigel. You know about this?
Yeah, I know about the secret pouch.
I didn't know what secret
That's
pouch.
where you hide all your goods. It's your kangaroo pouch.
Like also when I hide in there is like 3-day-old donuts. Not restraining. Like most of them are like knit it really tight right here.
Yeah. Nah, I've made sure that I was gonna use a fucking good one.
These are really nice.
If it was embroidered though, it would have to be more expensive.
That's a good amount of give. I'd also like the. Was this a large?
Yeah.
I really like the length of the sleeves.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, that's. Oh my God! I wish I would have done that before because this looks so much better. Let's see. Let's see that logo. With that face. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I don't know if this is really selling product or not, but
It's selling something.